You like the bird? Huh? Chunky, what's the bird? What the bird is it? Is that pretty bird? I think I saw a pretty bird. I think I saw a bird. A pretty bird. Oh my goodness. Max, what's the ball, Max? No jumping on the bird. Do you like my bird? Thank you, you like my bird? Where's there, Max? Hi, guys. Hi, guys. That's my pretty bird. The blue and white is Angel. And these are the two Brazilian birds. Yellow and green. Those are my babies. And Chunky, that's not a snack for you. Max, that's not a snack for you. Where did you went? You think you're going to knock it down from the back? Oh my God, imagine if you can get a hand of it. Imagine if you can get a hand of it. What a nice snack. Huh? No birds there no more. Say bye-bye.